Hello, we're going to show you how to purchase the TBA inside of your Trust wallet. Okay, getting started, you're going to want to have these three things. Take a snapshot, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add these three things to your wallet. And inside of your Trust wallet, you will need to have three things, okay? You're going to need to have the Matic on Polygon network added to your Trust wallet, as well as USDT on the Polygon network added. We already did that, but it's very simple. If you don't already have it, you would scroll all the way to the bottom and you will go to manage network, manage crypto, and then you can add it from there. So just go ahead and press that real quick for me, Steph, so I can show them. You will go to manage crypto, and then you would type at the top Matic, and then you would just make sure that you pushed it over Matic on a Polygon network. And hers is already pushed over, so we have added it to our wallet. And then you want to go ahead and add in your wallet USDT. So type that up there, Steph, as well. And then you want to look for the one that says USDT Polygon, and she has that already added. So you would just push the little blue over, and then you would hit the back button. Now, the third thing you want to add to your wallet while we're adding crypto is we want to add the Bulls Army to your, we want to add that to your wallet as well. So you'll go and copy the address, and she's already did that. I put it in the chat here. And then she's going to go to manage crypto. She's going to hit the plus because this isn't a frequently want crypto. This is going to be like a custom token that we're adding. So where it says network, she's going to click in there for network, and she's going to go down to the Matic Polygon network. And then she's going to paste the address that's on her fingertip there. And you'll know that it's the right one because it's going to end in EA2. Okay. And then once she puts it in there, it populates the Bulls Army TBA. And then she's going to scroll down and she's going to import that token. What I suggest that you guys do is that you have that contract address, that you put it on your notepad or something where you can get to it pretty easily. Okay. So you can see that she doesn't have any of that yet in her wallet. So again, the three things you want to have in your wallet is Matic for gas fees, Matic on a Polygon network. You want to have some USDT because you need to buy it with USDT on the Polygon network, and you want to have the TBA token itself in your wallet. Once you have those three things, you're ready to go. So go ahead and hit the back button for me, Steph, all the way out to your main wallet. And so you can see we have a little of all three of those now. She has some USDT on the Polygon, and she has some Matic. For those that want to know how to get that in your wallet, just watch the other video. I'll show you how to swap different tokens into that. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to go down to the browser. And we're going to go to something called Uniswap. So if she starts typing Uniswap, it's going to start to come up. And if it doesn't, you're going to go to just uniswap.org. And then you're going to hit the magnifying glass on the bottom. And then you want to go ahead and make sure that you're on a Polygon network. So go up to the three dots at the top. And you want to change the EVM chain to Polygon or Matic. It's going to say Matic Polygon. They are interchangeable. Okay. And then you can launch the app. And once she launches the app, you can always check because sometimes it just loves to go to the Ethereum network. You can always see at the top where it has the three dots. See that if you're back on there, she's on a Polygon network. But there's one other place she has to do that right next to the little horse. That one still says Ethereum. You're going to pull that. Is that the little unicorn?
Okay.
That's what I want. Now hit Polygon from there. That tells them what network. Now we're going to connect your wallet. Go over to the right and say connect. To the top right says connect. And we're going to connect through Trust Wallet. You see where it says Trust Wallet? And that's her Polygon network wallet. Go ahead and say connect. And then boom, it's there. It knows that she has $3 and 3.02 of Matic. But since we already have the Matic, we don't need Matic because I mean she already had the USDT, We're going to pull that down and we're going to change the top to USDT.
By the horse.
No, where it says Matic.
Okay.
You're going to pull and go to USDT. The $16.22. Okay. And then it's going to say, what do you want to receive? You're going to pay with USDT and you want to receive some TBA. So it says select the token. Go ahead and pull that down. And sometimes because it's not a popular token, you'll have to go ahead and either type the TBA up there. And because she has it in her wallet, it might show up. Scroll down a little bit. Use the keyboard down button to see if it's there. Or most of the time, guys, you got to put the contract address in there. If you go to the bottom of your phone, to the right, there's a little bottom button. If you hit that, it'll make the keyboard go away. Okay, so now it didn't come up. So now what she just does is go ahead and put in, get rid of that and then paste in the contract address that's on your finger. Now it'll be there. Go ahead and hit the down button. Again, move your keyboard. See, it's there, the Bull's Army. So she's going to click on that. And it's going to ask you, it's a new token. So it's always going to ask you, are you sure? And so you're going to say, I understand. And then she's going to type in, how much does she want to do? Do you want to do the max? That's whole 1622.
Yes.
Go ahead and hit the max. And it's going to calculate how many billions of tokens she gets. As you can see there, she can go ahead and say swap. And she can approve. And you look at that, guys, you can see for 16 bucks right now, she's getting, that's hundreds, that's thousands, that's millions, that's 345 billion tokens. Billion tokens. So go ahead and approve and swap. And then she's going to go ahead and approve it. And when you see the black screen, that means they have to put their little password in. And then it's going to also ask you to sign the message. This is the first time if you use, I only asked you that one time when the first time you ever use Uniswap. This comes up, the sign, go ahead and sign. And again, put her little password in. And approve. Okay. And there it is. It's confirming the swap. And it was successful. You guys see that? Boom, boom, boom. So
Wow.
now I'm going to hit the X. And we're going to hit the X at the top. And we're going to go out to her little house. And we're going to go down and click on her TBA. Go down to your TBA. And boom, look, 324 billion tokens she has right now. Great job. So that's how you buy it. You excited?
Yeah. Billionaire.
All right. A multi-billionaire, not just a billionaire, multi-billionaire in the Bull's Army tokens. Thank you for being our volunteer.
Awesome.